In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a file in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So to do this, the easiest way is to basically find the file inside your File Explorer on your computer. So for example, over here, if I pull this up, as you can see, there's like the PDFs I have, and this is the PDF I currently have open. So if you want to rename it, click on it, and then click on this button up top to rename, and you can rename it over here to whatever you want, okay? You can just start typing and it's going to work. So that's the easiest way. But if you want to do it inside Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can do that as well, but you will have to save a copy of the document. So go to the top left, File, and you want to click on Save As, and then you simply want to select where you want to save. So I'm going to go with the Downloads folder, and you'll be able to give it a new name. So for example, Tutorial Document Renamed like this, and then you can save it whatever you want. Click on Save, and it's going to save it again. It's going to be the exact same document, but it's going to have a new name, and you can then delete the previous one, and you've essentially renamed your file. So those are the ways you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.